Now, both OneNote and Notion are very popular note-taking applications that many people use over the world, and they gained their popularity throughout the years with their different functionalities and their own each unique advantages and disadvantages. And really, the choice of which application to use to do different things comes down to your own preferences and needs and which one you prefer for various different things. Today I'm going to tell you about the two main reasons, in my opinion at least, of why I prefer OneNote over Notion specifically for studying. So let's go. Hello everyone, this is Mahmoud Al-Samarra'i, aka Dr. Comics, and I'm a senior medical student here in University of Sharjah in United Arab Emirates. If you like these kind of videos and want to watch more medical contents and much more, please subscribe, and yeah, that will do a great favor to me. Now, why I hate Notion for studying? Now, don't get me wrong, Notion is one of the best and most powerful note-taking applications that many people use, and I personally use it every day for different things, from creating databases, flexible layout options, the ability to create complex project management systems, and the ability to use different many templates that are built in or that you can download from any website, and many other things, and it's really powerful note-taking application system. Now, coming down to all of this, the power and complexity of Notions and the various features that it allows you to do comes with its own price. So specifically for studying, in my opinion, this is a huge disadvantage, because being too customizable and flexible, offering different features, in my opinion, will be very time consuming and overwhelming to create a good or a fitting study system that you will use for your everyday studies, if that makes sense. So at least from my experience, I found that the many features of Notion and the different functionalities, I really found myself spending so much time and so much effort trying to find out what is the most efficient way to study and to use their different features, instead of actually writing basic notes, which I really need for my study. So for example, here are some notes that I created while studying for my USMLE Step 2 exam. So let's say I decided to create a specific page for each subject, like cardiovascular, neuro, and so on. Now, I questioned here myself, for example, do I create a separate page for each individual topic, or do I write each topic as a headline, then create toggles, or do I just create headlines and I write down my notes? And I find myself getting lost in this loop. Now, as silly as this might sound, I really found it overwhelming and really confusing to make such choices, while all you need is just simple note-taking application which have basic functionalities and allows you to do what's important, which is studying and taking your notes, right? So I think OneNote has a huge advantage in this regard, and I will tell you how. Now, how does OneNote offers the solution to the problems that I just mentioned? Now, the two main reasons of why I prefer OneNote over Notion specifically for studying include two main reasons. The first of all is simpler to use and has a really simple user interface. And the second reason is that it allows you to organize your notes in a very simple way. Now, let's watch together how does it offer that. Now, OneNote is known for its ease to use, giving its users a straightforward way to organize their notes, and they deliver this through their notebook-based structure, in which you can create a notebook. Within the notebook, you can create sections, and within each section, you can create a different page. Again, here with an example, I wanted to transfer my whole studying system to OneNote. So simply here I created a notebook in which I called it Step 2 CK. Each section within this notebook represents different subjects. So here you have cardiovascular, you have neuro, you have ENT, orthopedics, and so on. And simply within each section, I create a page for each major topic. So you can see here within orthopedics, I create a page for example, inflammatory conditions, another one for fractures, another one for congenital conditions, and so on. And you can adjust that however you want according to your specific study needs. Now, the second reason which I mentioned is that it's really easy and simple to use. So with this simple user interface that is basically similar to applications like Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, you have all the basic format tools that you need in the homepage. You can highlight, change format, add a to-do list, insert shapes, and in my opinion, adding pictures is very easy in EndNote. Let's say I am studying Salt-Harris fracture, so my learning style is question-based. So I will write here, what are the types of Salt-Harris whatever. I will go to Google and I will type Salt-Harris fracture. We will find an image and I will copy and paste it over here, and I can edit it however I want. In addition, there are additional features like syncing the application from your laptop with your smartphone, your iPad. Also, you can share the notes with your colleagues, and it's very simple to do that. Also, it syncs very well with the Google ecosystem like Google Drive and all of those things. So in conclusion, in my opinion at least, OneNote is an excellent note-taking application that allows you to do your basic studying, and it saves you the headache of trying to figure out how to organize your notes and how to organize the categories and whatever and all of those things. And it's excellent because it saves you the headache of trying to figure out different features and different ways to organize your notes. So I like this rigidity, and flexibility in this case is not needed, at least in my case. On the other hand, Notion is a great note-taking application that I use it every day, but for studying, I really do not prefer it. Again, you can try both and you can figure out what works best for you. So if you liked this video, please like, subscribe for more content, and peace out.